Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title of the video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how I make my coloring book pages for the books I publish on Amazon or Amazon KDP. Now, the first thing that I do is I select the dimensions, right? So let's say the book is going to be 8.5 by 10 inches. I just choose that. That's not a problem. The bleed, I actually don't do anything because everything else I do in Adobe InDesign, and I might do a video on that sooner or later. And yeah, then I just create the file. Now, one thing I do want to mention is go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, all those goodies. And yeah, go ahead and comment on what you guys think, because your comments will definitely help in making better content. Now, what I usually do is I have layer 1 here. Let's say I'm just going to do smiley, right? Let's say I'm going to do smiley, the layer, but I also do artboards. So the artboard, let's say smiley, right? Now the artboard is actually this thing, this square, like within the bounds. Anything outside of that is actually not going to be saved. And then so let's say I want to do 5 images, right? I want to do 5 pages. So what I do is I actually create 5 artboards. So another thing I like to do, and this is just my preference, is I like to do this 8.5 by 10. So yeah, so let's say that's smiley. This one's going to be saddy. 8.5 by 10. Neutral, if that's how you spell it. Yeah, anyways. Again, 8.5 by 10. And then angry, 8.5 by 10. And if you guys can hear my daughter in the background, it's I find it amusing and kind of cute. But anyways, so then I just do this, right? I just do smiley, sad, neutral. I think that's how you spell it. Anyways, angry. I get. Oh, so I just did 4. Yeah, let's go with 4 just to make things a little bit easier. So, anyways, let's do the smiley. Okay, what happened to my view? Okay, so anyways, so let's. All right, so this is smiley, and I'm just gonna do this really quick. Oh, you know what? And then let's just give it a little bit of thicker, and then this. Right. Let's just say that's my image, right? And then I'm just gonna duplicate this. All right. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna paste it on sad. And then I'm actually going to do this. Right. All right, so let's just group each one. All right, so this is smiley, right? Smiley. I'm gonna click on this layer and then Control-Shift-V to paste it. And then when I click on smiley, the artboards, and if you can't see the artboards, go to Window and then Artboards. All right, so this is the way I like to organize things, right? This is Artboard 1 or smiley, Artboard 2, Artboard 3, and if you can tell, it's on this layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control X to cut it, go to neutral layer neutral, and then there you go, right? So, as you can tell, and then angry is in the right place. So, align to center it, right? Centered, and then centered. All right. So let's say this one was sad. Yeah, let's say those are the pictures I'm just gonna save this. Yeah, coloring folder, Illustrator, Smile, I guess. I'm just gonna. All right, so here's the thing. You want to save it as let's say faces, right? Faces, and then save. Now, when you're exporting this, this is why artboards are important. So when you're exporting this, you go to File, Export, and here's two things. The dimensions, I've learned that to get the size and the dimensions right, if you notice here it says 612 by 670. Sometimes it ends up being a lot more. And then clip to artboard, and you can export it that way. But for this one, you would actually do it one by one. Now, here, if I go to export, export as, this would, okay, so let's choose PNG and then use artboards. You can either do all or range and then a specific one. Usually, for some reason, for my Adobe Illustrator, it actually exports it a lot bigger, but anywho. So when you export and use artboards, what's going to happen is that it's going to use the name of the artboards, right? So here I put faces and then smiley, sad, neutral, and so on. Use artboards, all, and then when I export it, I choose transparency. Yeah, let's go with transparency. All right, and then if you notice, this is where this is why artboards are extremely useful, because if you look here, if you look here, you have the names, right? Smiley, sad, neutral, angry, and then here it uses the name of the document itself, angry, neutral, sad, smiley, and then whatever else I put in the name of the artboard. So this actually is a good way to export multiple illustrations that you have for your book, and it's a good way to not only name them, but it's a good way to organize everything. So I hope this really helped you guys. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit subscribe, like the video, comment on your thoughts, and again, thank you so much for coming to my channel and checking this out. I'll hopefully have the new videos up here in a little bit, and yeah, so that's always something to look forward to, and it's actually on a thing called ChatGPT. So yeah, anyways, catch you guys next time. Cheers.